We're talking about capacity and what that means in the context of elder law, estate planning, mom and dad's financial accounts, your own financial accounts. One of the critical things we do in every case is determine that the person that's in the office that we're dealing with has capacity. That means they know what they're doing, the legal effect, the factual scenario, their relationship to people in their lives, the relationship to professionals in their lives. And it's very important, particularly as we start seeing high incidence of organic and other cognitive problems, dementia, Alzheimer's. The early onset stuff can be hard to see because they can come into the office in a time of good clarity, but then that slips later, and then they become subjected to undue influence and other interferences with their own capacity. So, capacity is one of the first things we look at in a probate or estate case, and the related concept, undue influence. Oftentimes, those things work hand in hand. Somebody is suffering, and so their cognitive abilities are kind of slipping a little bit, and they find themselves subjected to undue influence. The caregiver, the spouse, the kid is having them make changes onto estate planning or their assets in ways that they wouldn't do if they had full capacity. So we pay really careful attention to that whenever someone's in this office to do will, power of attorney in particular. But where we're seeing this more and more and really having to delve into this concept is after the person's died, or frankly, while they're alive, and someone catches wind that they're being subjected to undue influence, or that their assets are being misused or mishandled. It could slide into categories of Chapter 415 elder abuse litigation, or in the extreme example, Chapter 825, that's the criminal component of it. But the critical thing that I encourage people to do is think long and hard about capacity. Are mom and dad still with it? Are they still exercising thought processes and emotional connections in ways that we think are consistent with mom or dad or the elder person's prior life? If not, that's when we really start taking a close look at the people around them, the caregivers, and making sure that those assets that mom or dad accumulated are protected, probably frozen in place to the way they were before we started to see these symptoms of elder abuse and incapacity.